This is the task at hand for whenever I get home from the gym, and it looks overwhelming. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday to you guys. Today is Saturday for me, so I'm about to go to the gym. It's leg day, but today I am starting a 60-day challenge with Lifetime Fitness. That's the gym I go to, and I had like free Lifetime bucks or whatever. So I signed up for a 60-day challenge, and today is like our first weigh-in, and I have like a 30-minute training session, I think, to talk about my goals and stuff over the next 60 days. So it's just kind of a group of people that keeps each other motivated, I guess. So I've never done it before, so I figured I would try it. And that's what I'm about to head to do. But then I have got to clean this vanity whenever I get home, because we're going to Vegas tomorrow. So I need to get it all clean and organized before I leave, and then maybe in tomorrow's vlog y'all can pack with me for Vegas, like my travel makeup bag and stuff. So anyway, I definitely need to clean today. And then Brad, which is my husband, by the way, if you're new here, I'm Ashley, and we have been vlogging every day. We've been enjoying vlogging, so I hope you guys are enjoying them too. Look at this shirt. It says cute but psycho. Same. So my husband has a show tonight. He's a musician, so he is playing at a local brewery here downtown. So we're gonna go to that. That's kind of what's on our agenda today. And I kind of want to film like an intro, like a 10 or 15 second intro today, like to go on all of my videos at the beginning of them, you know. So we might go shoot that today, although it looks like it's really overcast and it might rain. So I don't know, we shall see. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the gym and then get back so I can clean this vanity. It's a mess. It is such a mess. Oh my gosh, I killed leg day. And guess what, y'all? Brad decided to sign up to do the 60-day challenge with me. So I'm so excited. So we got weighed in today. I weigh 130 pounds exactly. I'm 5'4", by the way. And I'm 21% body fat. So my goal by summer is to be between like 18 and 20%. But I'm going to talk to y'all more about my goals for this 60-day challenge on Wellness Wednesday this week. But I just pulled up to my house. Usually on Saturdays we go to a place called Fuego Burger. It's just like a small, it's actually in a gas station. You have to literally buy your drinks next door. Like they don't even have drinks there. But it is the best hamburgers. Although I usually get tacos because they have such good tacos too. So, you guys want to see who my lunch date is today? Yesterday, my lunch date was Brad. Look at my handsome lunch date today. You look cute. I like that shirt. It's fly. I love Brendan and Floral. He looks so cute. Can you believe this is Brendan now, y'all? He has a mustache. Guess what? We got all the way to Fuego Burger, and the line was legitimately out the door, and there were no tables or anything. So we decided on Smash Burger, and they have Girl Scout cookies out front, which is very tempting. Thank God I can't have them because of the gluten. Where is Smash Burger? Obviously, I have a drummer. Okay. One good thing about being having celiacs is I can't eat any of these, and I would definitely eat this whole box. The peanut butter patties. What's your guys' favorite Girl Scout cookies? Do you love Girl Scout cookies? Let us know in the comments. Okay, I got it cleaned up for the most part. I still need to wipe down the tables, and I desperately need to wash my brushes, but I think I'm gonna do that whenever I get back from vacation. I kind of organized this little cart. This is just stuff I use every day, but I can actually see the table now, so that's good. Okay, so I got my room all cleaned up, but you guys, if I'm being honest, I just had like the biggest panic attack, like just thinking about going out of town, you know, which me and Brad go out of town a lot without the kids, so I don't know why I'm freaking out so bad right now. But I don't know, like I started, because we're supposed to go to Vegas tomorrow, and we were going for Valentine's Day, and I just like had, like I said, like a real anxiety attack over it. Just like, you know, I mean, they're gonna stay here at our house with their grandfather, but I don't know, just being gone and away from, do any of you guys do that, like when you're traveling without your kids? I don't know, it's like I feel guilty and I feel nervous, and I don't know, I have so many emotions. So right now we're giving ourselves till 4 o'clock. It's almost 3 o'clock, so for the next hour we're gonna just think about it and figure out if we want to cancel our flight. So I don't know. I hate anxiety so bad, and my anxiety is the worst when it has to do with my kids, you know. Like we're supposed to go from Sunday to Thursday, and I just feel like that's a really long time to be away from my kids, you know, which it's really not. Some people have to do that like every week for work or whatever, but it's just like, I don't know, it's stressing me out. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we end up going. What are you doing, like tuning it? Adjusting. Buddy seems to be interested. He's just sitting there watching me. Look at all these animals we have. Like a dang zoo in here, Brad. With your guitar in your hand, you're cute. Are you ready for your show tonight?
I'm gonna be playing this tonight, I think.
I'm excited. Man. I have been obsessed with toast and peanut butter lately, so this is what I'm having for dinner, and then I'm gonna head out to Brad's show. I'm excited. And guess what, y'all? Brendan is playing with him. He's playing the cajon with them tonight, so it'll be really fun.
And we'll watch the stars fall over Horseshoe Bay. Take a chance and dance in the pouring rain. Find ourselves lost down a dead end road. Let your hair down like you have no shame. Set the world on fire just to watch the flame. Take my hand, don't let me go. Baby, just lose control.
So, I said so a lot, so you can edit all that out. Edit all that. My gosh. Start that over. Edit that. Edit. I started out so good. I'm ending the vlog because, as you know, Ashley had a rough day trying to figure out what to do about going out of town or not. But we're about to get some rest and get ready to fly tomorrow night. Because, like I told her, this is going to be our last opportunity. If we don't go now, we won't be able to go, and we're getting to go out there for pretty much free. So, got to take advantage of it. So, anyway, thanks for watching. And if you want to see more of me in the vlog, comment below. Because I'm very bad at vlogging. And I'm going to get better. That's my New Year's resolution, starting now. So anyway, have a good night. Bye.